Officials say 159 people have been killed by an earthquake. The magnitude 6.0 earthquake struck several small towns in the central city of Rieti early on Wednesday. Tremors were felt about 150 kilometers away in the capital, Rome. And this was the country's most powerful earthquake since the 2009 disaster in L'Aquila. Italy's Earthquake Institute reported at least 150 aftershocks in the 12 hours following the initial earthquake, and officials warn the death toll is expected to rise as hundreds still remain injured, some critically, and an unknown number of people are still trapped under rubble.